Three constitutional doctrines explain everything in this footage: Miranda, the private actor rule, and search incident to arrest.
You ready to hear? Or no? I haven't talked to him yet. So we can Miranda this way I don't have to do an audio recorded.
It's charging. I use it too much. It's not true problems. I'm sending it to you without a charger.
If you look
Someone
far
on
away,
565 and 203 or disregard.
Go for 5213, right back at the
how you doing?
It looks like we're getting
Detective
another
Rennish with
203
Summer County Sheriff's
Bravo.
Office.
5613.
Target kind of briefly informed me of what was going on today. And in order for me to talk to you, I need to read you your rights, alright?
74.
Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
Yes, sir. 1051.
Alright, sir, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, with your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me today?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I was notified by Target that apparently over the course of your employment, there's a lot of cash registers that were turned up short, and that they have video surveillance of you folding money in your hand, and instead of putting it into money counter, you slipped it into your pocket.
Yeah.
Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a reason why this was happening? Are you...
It was just like financial hardships.
Okay.
And then it turned into a bad habit that should have subsided long ago, or never even started. But yeah, that's all it stemmed from.
Okay. Do you happen to have a drug problem? Because we do have, like, drug court, we have programs to get people
Yeah,
help
no.
better addicted to drugs.
Nothing addictive.
Okay.
Nothing
Just-
serious like that. Just needed to get out of a hole, and then it stuck with a bad habit, really.
Okay. Do you roughly know about how much it's been going on for the past, almost a year or 6 months?
I believe it was 6 months since I started. That's when I bought my house. That's when I needed to finalize some things that,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. You about how much money, roughly?
They're estimating 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it might be a little bit more than that? Because I know it's about 10,000 only in the last 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, the last
Wow.
30 to maybe 90, 30, I would say 30 to 60 days is about just over $9,000.
Wow. Yeah, not that I'm aware of. Like I told them, I when I receive it, I spend it on like materials and stuff because I'm remodeling my house. So
Okay.
nothing that I'm aware of.
Okay. Understandable. You married, sir? Any kids?
Just engaged, got kids. Yeah.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
Technically 2.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Biological or?
No.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You have anything you'd like to add?
No, what I would do is the whole statement form if he wants to.
Well, they have an admission form here. Can I see that? Is this your form, sir, that you
Yes, sir. Yeah.
you signed out? Okay.
If you can read it.
The detective administered Miranda completely, all 5 prongs. Right to silence, statements admissible. Right to counsel during questioning. Appointed counsel if indigent. Right to stop at any time. North Carolina v. Butler, decided 1979, holds that a written waiver is not required. Verbal assent suffices if it is knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. The suspect's verbal assent locked in everything that followed. No suppression motion succeeds on this record. Target's pre-police investigation operated outside the Fourth Amendment entirely. Burdeau v. McDowell, 1921, establishes that constitutional search and seizure limits apply only to government actors. Private security may detain, interrogate, and obtain written admissions without Miranda warnings, without warrants, without constitutional probable cause. United States v. Jacobson, 1984, confirms that police repeating a private search does not transform it into a Fourth Amendment event. By the time the detective arrived, the case was complete. The detective's mid-search question about currency in the wallet used a constitutionally permissible technique. Frazier v. Cupp, 1969, holds that police may use deception in strategic framing so long as the resulting statement is not coerced from someone who would not otherwise speak. The suspect had already waived Miranda. Every subsequent disclosure is admissible against him.
Sorry.
Okay. And this is just your signature here
Yes,
on the
sir.
statement?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's go back and get a copy of that. I'm good with that one. All right, sir. Well, today you are going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, you'll be able to bond out of the jail, and then from there it's with your attorney, speaking with the state's attorney and Target on working out some type of agreement in order for paying back, and you can go and see what the charges are going to be.
Sure.
Okay, they could reduce the charges, they can drop the charges as long as most likely the money is paid back to Target,
Okay.
and Target agrees to accept the money before it goes to trial,
Right.
then they can always drop the case with the state's attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
something you can definitely work out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. No.
Do you have any questions for Target?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so you do understand you are fired from the store.
Yep.
Okay, so you trespass from the store?
Yes.
Okay, and you are being trespassed from the store as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that means you cannot come back to the store property unless you actually speak with somebody from the store and then they lift it. But in order for them to lift it, they have to contact us because it's going to be documented that you are trespassed. Okay, so
From
if you-
just this location or every
Yes.
location?
This
Okay.
location.
Okay, yeah. So if you'd like to come back to this Target, then you make sure you get in touch with management, and management has to call us to cancel the trespass.
You can take it out.
No knives or anything?
Nothing harmful.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take out this watch, okay? So that way we have
Yeah.
some room and you're not getting cut off circulation, okay?
And it doesn't damage your watch.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, face the back of your phone. Go like that.
Check those pockets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll wait for
Yeah.
gloves to do.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
got nothing gross in there.
No, you just, listen, in this line of work, you've seen it all.
Yeah.
I just don't put my hands in people's pockets till I got gloves on. Just walk front, and then I'll hold the door open.
Sounds good.
I'll grab this property.
Are you able to grab that backpack under the thing?
Where is it?
Under the bench right there?
Yeah, is that your backpack?
Yes, sir.
That's his backpack too, he said. Does it go? I'm gonna go off. I go out this
No,
door.
it won't.
You're good, right?
Yeah.
You're good now.
No, this ain't cold.
It's cold enough. Alright, we're gonna go back to that second car back there. Okay?
White Town 1013.
Yes, ma'am. It's that truck right there, the big one.
Technically, you can't come back after you cut off.
Yeah.
I'll have my fiance do it. Yeah, that's fine.
Over here. Yep. Space this flag right in front of that.
Sure.
You got gloves?
There, grab some.
Yeah, I got it.
So I don't run away.
No,
or,
I'm not
or,
running
run,
away.
or run.
No,
It is both.
I'm not worried about the running part.
I'm not worried about the running part either. That is,
Overweight.
that is part of it.
No, we do a lot of scenarios with tasers, and trust me, I'm pretty accurate. So I doubt that you want to run away from me, at least. I don't know about him.
Did you guys get tased?
I'm fairly
Yeah,
fast.
shit sucks, but
I'm fairly fast.
you know how to do it, right? When you get tased, so we know how it feels, but you don't want to tase somebody else yet. But if we got to, we got to.
Not that bad.
707-3
Alright, we'll try on you later.
You guys need anything from me?
Nope, we're good.
I'm gonna go hop up a book.
Thank you. Alright, I take this opportunity to let people know that we make decisions in life that are not great. We learn from them, and that's the important thing. And I hope that regardless of what happens, that you learn from this today and what you've done and the consequences that come with doing what you did.
Yeah, this one's gonna fuck me up though, because I was going in the fire service, so I don't think that's gonna work out.
Yeah, you gotta figure it out. Maybe
Spread
you
your feet
can work
out for
it
me.
Yeah, maybe you can work it out with parking and get stopped at 3 mile or something.
I hope so, but cause that's what I've been, the only job that I've wanted to do, and then do something like this.
Yeah, bro. But regardless, if it works out, if it doesn't work out, you'll have a story to tell. And just gotta make better decisions than you've already made.
What's in this pocket? Is it just like keys?
And probably some AirPods.
Search of the wallet and pockets required no separate justification. United States v. Robinson 1973 authorizes a full search of any arrestee's person incident to lawful arrest. California 1969 extends this to the area within immediate control. Both apply automatically the moment custodial arrest occurs. Edwards v. Arizona 1981 would have ended the interrogation immediately. The rule is absolute. Once a suspect unambiguously requests counsel, all questioning must cease until counsel is present. Any subsequent waiver is presumed invalid unless the suspect reinitiates contact. Davis v. United States 1994 requires that the invocation be unambiguous. I want a lawyer works. Maybe I should talk to a lawyer does not. The suspect made no invocation at all. He had the most powerful asymmetric tool in American criminal procedure available and did not use it. On a $10,000 grand theft, sentencing's exposure varies sharply by jurisdiction. Florida classifies this as third-degree grand theft under Section 812(1)(4), up to 5 years in prison. Illinois treats it as a Class II felony under 720 ILCS, 3 to 7 years. The probation-only outcome reflects complete confession, complete cooperation, and willingness to make full restitution. Bordenkircher v. Hayes, 1978, confirms broad prosecutorial discretion in plea bargaining.
I'm trying it, man. Keys and AirPods, you said?
Yeah. The gym membership I don't go to.
Yeah, we all have those.
They might not be.
908-302, where are you at?
Yeah, there's... They're just not wanting to come out there either. I don't want to go dropping them all over the place.
Thanks, man.
Right there. Nothing up here, right? No pockets.
Good.
Yeah, give me just a second. Alright, go ahead, take a seat.
Hey, Cameron, you've been so honest with us. Is there any money in your wallet that belongs to Target?
Just the big bills, I think.
Okay. One second. Just 1 second.
3713-8014.
It's warm in here, man.
Go ahead.
I don't like being cold.
Maybe outside for a second.
I don't like being really hot or really cold, so
Central.
I can turn. If it's too hot, just let me know. Alright. If you're honest with us, and hold on. Is the backpack good to go in?
No, I haven't checked that. This is everything that doesn't need to be searched. Wallet, and that does need to get searched. You got an extra pair of gloves? I'll stand right here while you grab me some.
Of course, I have gloves. I need to go back to the FT and get some more.
I keep on meaning to grab the black ones, not the black ones, but
You don't like the FD ones?
no. I know you like how they go all the way up your elbow, but I like the black ones. They look better.
They also don't show blood very well.
So, I told Cameron that he's been so honest with us, right? And that I was going to search his wallet. I asked him, was there any money in here that belonged to Target? He said, just the big bills.
Okay.
So, if you want to continue with that line, I can pull out whatever.
Feel free to, 50s, 100s.
When is this from, this money?
I don't know, it's
Is this from, it's not from today, it's from previous days? Okay.
So how much money is supposed to be in here?
I don't count my wallet.
Okay. Is it safe to say that most of this money is from Target?
Most of
Or
it.
changed from?
Everything you can take there.
$5 and $100 bills? Hold that for me. So 6. Seven. 8. 9. 'em just separating by. 1,000. 1,029.
I counted.
Okay. What are you thinking with this? I mean, he admitted that most of his money is either change or money from
So, unfortunately, I have to do a currency form.
to give it back to them.
No, because if it's going to go into property at the sheriff's office, then it needs a currency form, and that has to be signed off by a sergeant.
Yeah, literal.
More forms.
Grades. The Detective B+. Textbook Miranda administration. Disciplined evidence handling. 2 professionalism lapses on a recorded line. The suspect C-. Legally catastrophic decisions, partially redeemed by a lenient sentencing outcome. Target loss prevention, A-. Patient investigation, clean handover, no visible constitutional infirmities. 3 lessons emerge from this footage. First, the right to remain silent only protects those who use it. Waiving Miranda is the single most consequential decision a suspect makes, and it is almost always made within 90 seconds of police contact. Second, written admissions to private parties, including corporate loss prevention, are not protected by the Fifth Amendment. Constitutional protection attaches to government action, not to accusation itself. Third, full cooperation reduces sentencing exposure but eliminates legal defenses. These are not the same thing. Whether the trade is worth making depends entirely on whether any defense was available in the first place. On this evidence, the answer was no. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns. Thank you for watching.